to discuss about water consumption pattern in rural and urban settlement. Here we are going to discuss following topics: water consumption, the demand for water in urban and rural areas, along with water consumption pattern in these areas. Now, water consumption. The meaning of water consumption is defined as the fresh water taken from ground or surface water sources either permanently or temporarily and conveyed to the place of use. Due to increasing consumption pattern, water is becoming scarce and the scarcity is an emerging threat to the global population. In India, as a result of development, the demand of water is increasing both in urban and rural areas. The population has been increased exponentially, leading to improper use of water. Besides consumption by humans and other living organisms for health and sustenance, water has several uses such as irrigation, industry, pollution control, recreation, etc. The demand for water in urban and rural area. The demand can be influenced by these four factors: population, that also includes growth and density, cost of water services and their development. Third is technical choices based on the socio-economic situation of water users, and fourth is climatic pattern. The water utilization and consumption pattern is different in urban and rural areas. The water utilization in urban areas is more than rural areas. In rural area, people depend on pool, tube well, bore well, etc. But people live in urban area fully depend on the municipality supply water. It is certain that societies are going to have to confront, among other things, demographic transitions, geographical shift of population, technological advancement, growing globalization, degradation of the environment, and emergence of water scarcities. Water, the need of life, is likely to pose the greatest challenge on demand with population rise, economic development, and shrinking supply due to overexploitation and pollution. A majority of households in major cities in India depend on the municipal water supply for their fulfillment of daily needs. Now, water consumption pattern in rural and urban settlement. Firstly, I am going to focus on rural areas. Water consumption is mainly for laundry, showering, personal hygiene. Vegetable gardening is crucial to rural households, especially in developing countries, and affects the annual income of small farm families directly. Vegetable gardening consists of more than 50% of outdoor water consumption. Villages with continuous piped water supply, intermittent piped water supply, and public tap access have significant level of water consumption for domestic use. Water consumption pattern in urban settlement. The access to water in urban areas is constrained due to increase in population, growth rate, lifestyle changes, urbanization and industrialization. The supply of water is constrained and people try to adjust with the amount of water supply. The water supply and sewerage services are less than satisfactory for the sections of the society due to financial and technological problems. The poor strata are hit hard as very less amount of water is available for them.